Hello, my dear students. Welcome back again to online classes. I hope all of you are fine and ready for study. In half yearly exam, all of you have done good. I appreciate all of you. Now, I am starting second term syllabus. Today, lesson number 12, this, that, these, those, at page number 57. So, my dear students, open page number 57 in your book. This is lesson number 12 at page number 57. This, that, these, those. Read the following sentences and look at the pictures carefully. Some sentences and pictures are given here. We have to read the sentence and look the pictures carefully. First picture, ball. This is a ball. And here, more than one ball. So these are balls. One book. This is a book. More than one book. These are books. One knife. That is a knife. More than one knife. Those are knives. One pencil. That is a pencil. More than one pencil. Those are pencils. You can use this when you indicate one thing near you. जब आप अपने पास की किसी चीज़ को इंडिकेट करते हैं वन चीज़ को तो हम दिस यूज करते हैं. यू कैन यूज दीज व्हेन यू इंडिकेट मोर देन वन थिंग्स नियर यू. जब आप अपने पास मोर देन वन थिंग्स को इंडिकेट करते हैं जो आपके नियर हैं देन वी यूज दीज. You can use that when you indicate one thing farther away from you. जब कोई चीज़ आपसे दूर होती है आप उसको इंडिकेट करते हैं वन चीज़ वन थिंग सो we use that. You can use those when you indicate more than one thing farther away from you. जब हमसे ए मोर देन वन थिंग्स हमसे जो दूर होती है उन्हें इंडिकेट करते हैं देन वी यूज दोज. तब हम दो यूज करते हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस दैट दीज एंड दोज आर कॉल्ड डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस. क्या बोलते हैं इन्हें? डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज. दिस इज पेज नंबर 58. Here exercises. This, that, these, those. This hand indicates for near and this hand indicates for far. Okay, so according to this, we have to fill this, that, these, those in the given exercise. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. This, that, these, those. So first is are your books. So this hand indicates for so those are books. Like this you have to write those are books. Number 2, pencil is a black pencil. So this hand indicates for near. So this is a black pencil. Now number 3 is Tom's school bag. So this hand indicates for far. So that is Tom's school bag. Number 4, fill in the blanks are Amit's rulers. This hand indicates for near. So for near, these are Amit's ruler. Number 5, dash sharpener is red. So this hand indicates for near. So for near we use this. This sharpener is red. Number 6 are notebooks. So this hands indicates for far. So for far, those. Those are notebooks. Now number 7 dash is a map of India. So this hand indicates for far. So for far we use that. That is a map of India. Number 8 is her bicycle. So this hand indicates for near. So this is her bicycle. Number 9 dash purse is Saritaj. So this hand indicates for near. So for near we use this. This purse is Saritaj. Now number 10 dash are my shirts. This hand indicates for near. So for near we use these. These are my shirts. Number 11 dash is Steven's desk. So this hand indicates for far. So for far we use that. That is Steven's desk. 12 dash is Nikita's table. So this hand indicates for near. So for near we use this. This is Nikita's table. Now number 13 dash are pens. So this hand indicates for far. So for far we use those. Those are pens. Number 14 dash is my computer. This is computer and this hand indicate for far. So that is my computer. Now number 15 dash are Kavita's crayons. So this hand indicates for near. So for near these. These are Kavita's crayons. More than one crayon. So crayons. These are Kavita's crayons. 16 dash mobile is Nehaj. One mobile and this hand indicates for far. So that mobile is Nehaj. Number 17 dash is a maths book. One book and this hand indicates for far. For far. That is a maths book. Now number 18 dash chairs are broken. So this hand indicates for far. So those chairs are broken. Okay, so like this you have to fill this, that, these and those. For near we use this, these, and for far we use that or those. Okay. Now this lesson has finished. Now I am stopping this video. Practice it at your home and do this work properly in your book. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.